December 20th, 1929, Hillsborough, Texas, 26 inches of snow in 24 hours, the all time Texas state record, 8 weeks after the stock market crash. Hill County farmers were already broke, cotton prices collapsing, debts piling up. Then the Arctic front hit. Temperatures had been in the 60s and 70s all month. December 17th, the cold front arrived. Temps dropped to near zero. Livestock weren't ready. Afternoon of December 20th, the snow started. Thunder and lightning all night. By morning, Hillsborough had 16 inches. By evening, 26. Clifton got 24 inches. Waco, 13 inches at 2 degrees. Dallas got a dusting. A narrow band 2 to 3 counties wide. Hill County took the hit. Cotton farmers, cattle ranchers, already facing the depression, now buried under 2 feet of snow. Livestock stranded. No way to feed them. Water frozen solid. By Christmas, it melted. Temps back to the 70s, but the damage was done. The worst snowstorm in Texas history hit Hill County at the worst possible moment. Drop your county in the comments. Follow for more Texas history they don't teach you. For